Hey folks, Micah McGee here. It is early in the morning and we're getting ready to go do something special. Me and my 3 oldest boys are going to Alabama to do some rabbit hunting with a good YouTube friend that we know up there. Out there, down there, it's supposed to be 60 degrees. We're gonna get out of this cold and drive down south and do some hunting. Let's go. Sweet home Alabama, so much better here. All right, we made it down here to the warm south and we are so excited. We met this Alabama longbow banjo is his name.
Just don't hold my name or my state against me, okay? It ain't like I'm from Tennessee, all right?
Yeah, on another video, he didn't hold the Tennessee against me, so I guess we won't hold Alabama against him.
I got inspired to do this from a guy that lives up in Tennessee, which won't hold that against him being from Tennessee, but...
The guy makes a living with a knife, so I ain't gonna get no knife fights with him. The guy's good with a knife. But if you want to see how to use a knife, how to cut up some deer, follow this guy on his channel. He does, that ain't the only thing he does. He also gets out and slings the lead at rabbits. AL Longbow Banjo. So anyway, if you'll go down to the head of the comments, I'm gonna pin his channel so you can go out there, subscribe to him, and wish him good luck with this warm weather. Maybe he won't get the ice that we've been having. We're gonna get out here and do some rabbit hunting. Is there anything you'd like to say derogatory towards me, to my subscribers?
Derogatory towards you? Not in front of children.
Not in front of children? All right, well, let's get out here and kill some rabbits. Best rabbit dogs in Alabama right there, boys.
The more they bark, the later I have to put them in the box.
Yeah.
Get in there, girl. Oh, come on now. There you go.
We just seen the rabbit cross right here. Good dogs, I tell you.
Yeah. Well, where'd he go in at? You know exactly where he run in at? I just not heard him.
There he is, I see him.
Is he dead?
Yeah, he's just flopping his legs.
Kicking a little bit.
He pulled some kind of trick right through there.
Yeah.
A lot of people don't know that a rabbit. Like, he run all the way in and they lost him.
Uh-huh.
When they lose them, they call that a check.
Uh-huh.
Because they got to stop and see what's going on. They got to figure, because what happens, he'll run back down the same trail and he'll jump off, or he'll pull a trick. They stop, sometimes they stop and lift their feet, kill the scent for a little bit.
Uh-huh.
Sometimes they stop and roll in dust. They got all kind of tricks.
Right here, and he pulled all that right there.
Oh, really?
And ran it straight across. But it stopped and see me and then took off as fast as it could go.
They may be on a different one now.
I want to watch it roll.
Yeah. Get ready. Well, them's obedient dogs. I cannot believe how well they come. If it was my dogs, they'd turn and run the other way. I caught them like that. I've never seen any dogs that came any better than that.
Just a lot of work, I guess.
I guess.
And a little bit of electricity.
Got us a good race going on back in here. Should be a rabbit popping out any second.
Woo! Let's make sure it's the same one. Yeah. I had to wait till he stopped right here. Did you see that? He come out, he stopped me like, oh.
He's a big one.
He looked big. I'm gonna have to double check and see what he is for sure. I don't know who got him.
I don't think it was me.
We'll see. That's swamp rabbit.
Man, what a rabbit.
It's a female.
Yeah, I ain't never seen a swamp rabbit in person. That's a whole lot bigger than
That's average. That hits me in the ankle right there.
Yeah.
That's average. Every once in a while you get some her head hit the ground.
Man.
And I've seen two, but I've killed one, what I call a shoulder dragger.
Oh.
They'll sit there like that, but with me standing up like this.
My goodness.
And a shoulder dragger, they're about as big around as a volleyball. And this right here is about softball size.
That's a big rabbit.
It's a big old rabbit. Here you go, see what you think about him.
Wow. That is a big rabbit. Their hair looks maybe a tiny bit longer, maybe.
The main difference is the feet and the ears and obviously the size.
Uh-huh.
There's a few other differences. They got like a more of a donkey head and...
Yeah.
Well, good thing.
Who found it?
Joe.
Wow.
That's a good thing about rabbit hunting.
My goodness, that's a nice one.
We find deer heads all the time, find crossbow bolts, just all you name it, man, because we're in places most people wouldn't go.
Yeah, that's right.
We find all kind of dead deer people shot and lost in the past.
Uh-huh. Well, that's a...
Didn't know y'all was leaving one set of horns, did you?
Man, he'll love them because David found a set like that on a island in the middle of the Cumberland River. And so he'll probably want to hang that right beside it.
Yeah.
Put that in the back of the truck if you want.
Okay.
Tell Mr. Longbow thanks.
Thanks.
Ain't no problem, bud. Ain't no problem.
The white stuff you got, Longbow, it ain't near as cold as the white stuff we got back at home. That's the way to shoot him right there, buddy. Just take that head off.
Man.
Good shooting, Dave.
It's a big cottontail, too.
Yeah.
How thick that thing is. That's a real good shot. Look at that.
He was right in the corner right there, Dave. He was probably standing by me the whole time when I missed that one.
Yeah. Well, man, I'm proud of you. Good job.
You're probably wondering,
Why in the world would you go to Alabama to hunt rabbits?
this is why you go to Alabama to hunt rabbits. This guy and his wife's gonna make us eat, can you believe it? Man, that looks good too. Biggest old cat head biscuits and is that deer meat in that stew?
Yeah, it's, what we done is we made a stew out of cube steaks, what we done.
Okay.
She likes it a lot better, and it ain't near as dry when you do it that way as opposed to a big piece of meat. So,
I can't believe a deer processor would feed me deer meat. All right, we got back to the house. We got 9 of these big boogers. I've never seen nothing like these swamp rabbits. They're a whole lot bigger than cottontails we have back home. And I guess we just don't have enough swamps back home to have swamp rabbits. I don't know. Can I hold you?
You'll let just about anybody hold it.
also, one of them always found a deer head too. So it's just, you go places most people wouldn't go rabbit hunting, so you find things most people wouldn't find. But anyway, hope y'all enjoyed that. And if y'all want to go find some more good content, go look up McGee Homestead Adventures. That's this guy right here. He's got a channel, all right? And if you go, matter of fact, you'll see me on his videos. So if you want to see my face twice, I don't know why you'd want to. But if you want to, go look at his videos. Y'all be good.
Shout me out on my own channel. That is some good stuff right there. You guys go and subscribe to Longbow Banjo. He treated us like an absolute king while we was there. Fed us good, cleaned our rabbits, and he professionally vacuum sealed every bit of that rabbit meat for us, sent us home with it. That was just unbelievable. So go hit him up. It's going to be the first link in the comment section. We appreciate you guys watching this video. Be looking for some rabbit cooking videos because that's what's coming next. There's going to be a few rabbit cooking videos. Oh, rabbit's like chicken. You cook it any way you want. So we got all kinds of options. But anyway, I want to thank Mr. Longbow Banjo for allowing me to come up here and hunt with my boys. It's been extremely fun. I mean, we had a blast. We didn't have to sit still. We didn't have to get cold. We didn't have to do nothing. Just walk around and shoot rabbits. And his dogs are trained unbelievably. I've never seen any dogs work any better in my life. We appreciate you watching. We're going to get on out of here. Until next time, we'll see you on the next video.